Hello, one and all. Or one so far. As in, hi, Andrew. Hashtag Stoner Sloth, right, man? You'll notice I have left that down in the description. It's just too good to take out. I'm just leaving it there. Alright, so the game itself has really been coming together. It wasn't as hard as I thought to get like all the basics in place. Pretty much all I'm gonna have to do is, yeah, 420. Pretty much all I'm gonna have to do is just kind of put in a couple of quality of life systems. Best Stran. Okay, I don't get that reference. Oh well. Alright. But, okay, this I need to get rid of. Oh shoot, that's not what I want. Go, draw it across there. Run it. And there we go. Now, something I'm kind of... Oh, Oxenkrendor Stoner Sloth Strain. Ah, okay. What the heck is this? Corn-fed Kong. You know what? I'll let it play. You know, I hate to say it, but whoever it is that is strumming that guitar in the background on this track is not very good at it. I say this as someone who's not very good at guitar myself. But let's show where the game is off right now. You can draw a line across the hole. You send the circle across. And it'll reach the end, and it'll jump back to the main menu. Boom! Done. So, I now need... And also, if I don't make a bridge, it'll fall. I eat my words. Dadgummit. So if the ledge collide is true, okay, so let's go to platforms. Let's check this collide thing. Okay, so X has to be within the boundaries. Okay, I cannot remember. I cannot remember how the other way went. Okay, this is Box RGBA. Let's take a look under the hood here. This does not tell me. So I'm trying to remember if these are like beginning and end values for the rectangle, or do I need to like add them together in order to properly calculate the collision box? No, the values... Yeah, the values are absolute here. Okay. Yeah, so it is pixel count, so it should still technically work. So... Oh, wait. Is less than Y. actually, let's try this, is less than, say, y plus 1. Less than or equal to y plus 1. No, that's not gonna work either. Oh goodness, 3 concurrent viewers. Well, hello everybody. Goodness me. I think this calls for a celebration. I think those are fireworks. The tooltips break whenever you go to use the emoji search. All the tooltips break, so I can't tell you exactly whether or not those are. You think you feel a song coming on, eh? La 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 la. Yeah. La 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 indeed. Oh, I forgot to put my hashtag 1GAM in the title. There we go. Oh, they are fireworks. Good. Okay. So, how do I want to do this? I need to specify it needs to be greater. It needs to be less than y plus 1, but then this also needs to be put it here. Plus 1 needs to be greater than, let's see, greater than or equal to y minus 1. There we go. It'll give us a 2-pixel distance for our little ball to land on. There we go. Okay, now it lands and it should fall off. It's still not falling off. Why is it not falling off? If x is greater than x, but x is also less than the width. 1GAM, more like alpha GAM. Heck yeah! Sure, why not? I'll do that. My red hot pursuit. I'm eventually gonna have. Okay, I don't know what this song is. Okay, so we gotta do some troubleshooting here. So I have, if we pass, if x is greater than the start of the platform's x coordinate, but it's less than the width of it, and as long as these heights are right. Oh, but wait, we have to check below. We have to check below it, right? No, that would be caught by the width. Once it exceeded the width, if there's no bridge there, then it's supposed to carry it over. Okay. Well, I'm glad you can feel the song in your soul, Andrew. Because, honestly, I I ain't a fan of it, I gotta be real. It's very irritating, I don't know... Actually, you know what? I need to flip this the other way around. I need this to go... checking the collision on the player... through... Yeah, it needs to be... this collision algorithm... this... needs to be... Okay, I think I'm done with Donkey Kong remixes for now. Let's skip to something else. Radical Dreamers? Nah. Mega Man. Sure, why not? This sounds like it's a chill-out type thing. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to listen to that song for 8 hours. I would not manage it, Andrew. Sorry. But yeah, let's move this collision function, switch that out from it being checked with the platforms to being checked with the guy, because it's relevant to the guy if he's standing on a platform, and that platform could change. It could be just one of the level-generated platforms, or it could be a player-drawn bridge. So, yeah, we need to... Bool landed. Let's go with... let's go into the platform here and let's get rid of guy so we don't end up in an inclusion loop, because NetBeans does not like those, and I mean, I've had it work without NetBeans, but it's kind of rough. Not very clean. Alright, platform, are your coordinates open? They are not open. Let's open these up. You know what, I don't need these attach points, and I don't need this click attach point either, because the event handling is not working like I wanted it to anyway. So I can just get rid of all that. Alright, okay, let's go into the guy. Let's include the platform. Why do I always have to yawn whenever I go to say something important? Honestly, I'm not sure. Landed. Here we go. Alright. Platforms included. Let's also... let's see. Bridge, too. I need bridge. Actually, let's do it this way. Let's go, 2 booleans. We'll go, landed floor. And this one we will pass the, platform, past ledge. There we go, and then this one. This one we will then check for the bridge. Landed, we'll say arch. There you go. Hogs of War. I think I actually like this one. Hedge Wars, Hogs of War. I mean, for those of you who have robot ears, I'm pretty sure you'll dig this. Alright, let's put floor. Okay, is that working? Yeah, it looks like it's working. Can I paste anything here? No. Do I still have the collide code in here? No, of course I don't, because it's easy enough to reproduce. Alright, well, fair enough. If x is greater than past ledge dot x and x is less than dot w and y plus w is less than past ledge dot y plus 1 and y at y plus w is actually let's do this, say -1 there and make sure that it's greater than -1 and then y plus w is less than y plus 1. There we go. Okay, got that up and going here. Now let's go with land on the arch. Let's just copy here, paste here. Let's copy there, and we'll go paste, paste. Go, and paste, paste. Oh dear, the bridge does not have... Ah! There we go. Okay, bridge. Oh sheesh. Right. This is gonna be tricky. Okay. It's x1 and it is less than x2. y1 and I'll again say y1. I'll just kind of leave it at this. Assume just for the sake of posterity right now. Bridge was not declared. What's in the bridge class? Okay. Why has bridge not been declared here? Includes right there. Clean and build, maybe that'll clear its circuits. No. Huh. What is happening here? Just use it, yeah, just use it as a bridge here. See, this is the thing that terrifies me. Is, frequently I will run into some kind of a bug like this, and I don't know how the heck I'm supposed to even replace this, or repair this, or fix it. Bridge was never declared. Well, it's... Oh, it's an include loop. Right. Get rid of that. Ah. Okay, then. There's the issue. I forgot all about cleaning that stuff out of the bridge. It's focused on turning the platforms around, but... A class bridge... Alright, let's go ahead and get rid of that. We'll go ahead and get rid of all this. Hold on. Huh. How do I do this? How do I do this? Alright, I know what I'm doing here. Idea has now formed. Let's see if we can implement. If player landed arch then feet on ground equals true. Oh, hello again to new viewer number 3, the second new viewer number 3 I have had tonight. So let's find that emote again. Here we go, fireworks. Boom! And fire, just so we make sure that, you know, everybody knows like it's fiery fireworks. There we go. All right, so and say that the feet are on the ground, and it moves on. And then do the loop here, and then I say if player dot landed floor, that's ledge. Feet on ground still. And I I shouldn't have gotten rid of the old code. I can't remember what it was. Shoot. What was I doing before if the feet were on the ground? Alright, the player moves right. Move the player to the right. Alright, now let's see how well this goes. Because I'm not sure if I'm sold on this thing. And falls straight off the map instantly. Okay. Obviously, this is gonna be fun to fix. Alright. Alright, so it has to, you have to be landed on an arch in order for your feet to be on the ground. Or you need to be landed on a ledge for your feet to be on the ground. Well, but if a player's not landed on the arch and their feet are not on the ground, they're just gonna fall straight down. Okay, so if they land on the ledge, then all the proper tolerances, it returns true. So I need to get rid of that debug code there, the temp H. Where did I put that at? Oh, right here. Alright. Alright, it's gonna fall straight down. Yep. Alright, so the bridge check does not pass. Because there's no bridge there. So then it's then supposed to move onto this. So then wait, first off, I need to reset. Okay. Else feet on ground equals false. And here and feet on ground equals okay. So now the feet on ground are going to reset whenever these don't trip, but the problem is I need to get them to trip. Let's cut that out of there because otherwise we're going to be moving too fast. What is the past blocks thing? I don't really think this is even gonna matter anymore. So I'm just gonna clean that up. I don't even remember what I had that there for. And it's only been a week. So if feet are not on the ground, move the player down, increase the length of the fall distance. Oh, there we go, right there. We have the down movement right here. If feet on the ground, move to the right. If not, drop them. See if it's working. It's certainly dropping them. So, what is it about the ledge that's keeping it from tripping correctly, or triggering correctly? You know what, let's just check on the floors here. There we go. Just make things nice and simple here. Past ledge chords are, and then it gives me the X, W, and Ys. So I don't really need the height. It's all about the X, W, and Y. That's what we check every time it pass it. So let's see if I need to make these pointers or not. Start. Wait, so according to this, it never even ran. Okay, am I missing something here? I don't think so. This is really weird. Just goes straight down, but it never puts out any of the debugs. Hang on that. What is the platform check? No, it's the guy. Yeah, the platform check. Alright, let's take this and let's move it outside of this if. Let's make it non-conditional. Alright, here we go. Whoa! Okay. Let's do this. \n. There. Great. Well, okay. Well, that would be, this would be why we're having so much trouble right there. That would be exactly why. So I guess I have to make this a pointer. Turn all of these into these pointer operators here. There, and then pointer operator. There we go. Now let's see. Oh wait, it's gonna throw. Alright, I need to have. Platform pointer here. And then under the level... do that. Right. I also needed pointer operators in this. Thank you, debugging compilers. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bam. Okay, well, it dropped straight down again, but this time we're getting our coordinates like we're supposed to. So... alright, still less than or equal to on these, because this should help us. Nope, that didn't help us at all. Huh. Okay, if it's greater than y minus 1 and it's less than y minus y plus 1, let's try making it plus 2. Minus 2. That'll help a little bit. Nope. Ugh. Let's put something here. Alright, let's start the game. Let's run this. Down we go. Okay, how far? Okay, so it counts that it landed. So then, did the feet on ground thing did did that not change? Wait, I know what's going on. There we go. Well, what's happening here is we have it check. It'll say feet on ground is true, but then it'll check for the next platform. And it won't be colliding because it's not colliding with that platform. So then we have to then switch out to a different one. There we go. Woo! Okay. There we go. Alright, now I get to figure out I want to figure out how I am able to convey a fail to the character, or to the players, I should say. Obviously, the easiest thing to do is just say, you know what, I'll just do that. I'll just do a you died and have a retry button. Alright. Where's check victory? Right here? Okay, let's check fail. So, okay, if it falls a certain distance, I just want to trip the fail immediately. Just have it Have it be like if it's greater than 50, you fail. So, yeah, down here I believe it is. Right down here. Check victory. Check fail. If fall distance is greater than or equal to, well, I'll say 50. Go. Alright, if check fail, there we go. There we go. It's going down, down, falls off. You died. Alright, I think we can get rid of all of these. Get rid of that. Well, hang on. Yeah, we can get rid of that, but now we need to check and make sure that the whole bridging thing is gonna work. See if it works. No. Alright, let's try and make it flat or just keep it down low. There we go. Is it gonna keep it there? Nope, because the collision algorithm is not correct. That, and it's probably because it's not a pointer and it counts itself as its own object, which is ridiculous, honestly. But, you know. I need to fix all of the issues there, and then all right, let's bridge across. And no, it still falls. Okay, so if it's greater than X... Whoops. If it's greater than X1, and it's less than X2... It's greater... Let's see. It needs to be greater than... Okay, let's widen it out to the 2s again. Let's see if that'll work. Darn it, it's still not registering. It's just all you dieds at that point. Okay, this is the bridge check. This is the bridge check. This is the bridge check. Okay. So the bridge check was passing. Yes. So the bridge check was passing. Let's not set it to feet on ground on the bridge check. We'll leave that to being after the floor check. Hopefully this should work now. Just kind of getting overzealous with my resets is all that's happening. It's gonna fall straight through it again. Okay, Huh. Oh, wow. Something from Dune. Yeah, Dune was a TV series, a book series, but it was also one of the very earliest of the RTS. In fact, Command & Conquer used a lot of the ideas from Dune. And Dune didn't do very good. So, Command & Conquer receives much of the praise and historical remembrance. Alright, let's think this through, shall we? Okay, I know what's going on here. I have feet on ground, and then... but it's being manipulated in two places. So... I guess I'd need another Boolean. I'd need like a feet on flag Boolean. Or feet on bridge. There we go, feet on arch. Again, going to start with it as off. There we go. So feet on ground equals false, feet on arch equals true. Feet on arch equals true, else feet on arch equals false. So then if feet on ground or feet on arch, move it to the right, otherwise move it down. First off, let's just see if it... Yep, it registers. Yay, okay. Quit. Let's restart the game again. Let's draw the bridge. Let's see if this time it'll, Oh, there we go. It almost kind of worked. Kind of worked. Cool. Okay. So then, Man, that Stoner Sloth hashtag is just bringing people in. We're back up to 3 viewers again. Hello. Alright, Ooh, I like this song. Okay, so let's just put it back to 1 and 1. Leave it as a narrower thing for up there, as up there. Let's try and this time just place it right along the top, along with everything else. Okay. Okay, so something I need to do here that I didn't really think about. I need to reset the fall distance. On either of these. There we go, okay. And now, let's try something real quick. Let's just go here. Let's draw it high this time. Is this gonna make it drop down like it normally does? Very small amount. Let's actually just try this real quick. Let's see if it lands on an arch. If arch dot I don't. I feel like when you yawn, you transform into Stoner Sloth for a short amount of time. Okay. I mean, I prefer to think I'm just a very tired electrician who's had a very long and stressful day and week. But I mean, hey, if I'm Stoner Slothing it all out, I mean, I guess that can't be bad, right? So, maybe I should start putting a camera on myself, so everybody can watch me yawn. No, never mind, I think that would be bad, because I don't have any good place to put a light. Actually, I kinda like this song. Stormlord, Sanika's Marble Pack. Edit. Okay. Alright, now what was I gonna do here again? If arch dot y1 is greater than player plus player dot w. There we go, and then we'll just see. Okay, let's just see if we can make this thing jump back up, shall we? Oh dear, that's gonna flop. No. Because it quits applying after it leaves. Let's go into here then, and how do I do this? Yeah, hashtag Stoner Sloth. Let's do this. If player.y, or if y.y plus w is less than past arch dot y2. I don't need FC alignment enums. What the heck? I don't even know what that is. I mean, it's part of the SDL font cache add-on that one guy made, which is so great. Oh, I need to add that back into the... Actually, I need to add that back into my, Shoot, what? Oh no. SDL font cache. There it is. Grim thing. Do I have this bookmarked already? I do not. What I do have is stuff for Vulkan. I do not have this guy's page bookmarked, and that is just a crime. So I'm going to put that font cache again. That font cache. Go. Exclamation, exclamation, colon, paste. There. There you go. If anybody is ever programming in SDL2, you're trying to do a lot of, like, you're going to program in SDL2, you're trying to do a lot of text to the screen, that library is invaluable. That's why I'm posting it there. Alright. Oh gosh, that is so loud. Oh, thank you. I'm not interested in a song by the name of Swamp Rat. Nope, I'm not interested in anything unbearable. No. Sure, some more Robot Ears music, why not? Okay, so pointer operators. Dash V. There. Then let's make y equals past arch pointer operator y2 minus w. Hopefully that'll work. That way it'll put it up towards the higher end of the bridge. Let's see, will this work? And nope. Let's make it obviously different then. There we go. Why is it not working? Clean and build. Because sometimes that'll happen. So let's clean and build. Start. Nope. Oh wait, this is less than. I need is greater than. There we go. Let's try that now. Maybe that'll work now that I have the right symbol in there. Oh dear. Oh no. It's dancing! It's dancing to the music! Yay! Dance. Oh, and then it falls off. Oh my. Okay, so maybe I need to change something here. Well, let's just... This, Sick Grave, even the game is dancing? Heck yes it is! Let's just see what happens if I leave it flat now. Nope. Still not working right. Say greater than or equal. Not plus, greater than equal. This will probably rave it out even worse, but let's just give it a shot. It's still not working. What I'm really not getting is, well, I guess the reason why it's actually working with... yeah, it's actually working with the ledges because it's a square and there's like a defined point that it has to be above. And the line is just a very, very thin line, kind of more arbitrarily valued. That's why it clips through a little further than it's supposed to, and then it falls off at the end rather than going back to switching or back to checking on the what am I talking about again? It fails to do something before checking on the whatchamacallit and the Humajigger. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so then, Alright, so it's gonna have to be a completely different form of movement behavior based on if a bridge is detected versus if a floor is detected. This will work for the floor, but for the bridge... that's gonna have to be like a whole nother mess. Okay, well, it's nice to see I still have at least a few of you left still. It's getting kind of late. But, you know... I'm just kind of clicking around right now, kind of looking at some stuff. Alright, so then, So if I'm going to land the arch, basically what I'm going to have to be doing is start off with checking the first 2 coordinates, making sure it's there. But I need to see where the other y coordinate is at, and if it's above, start working it up. If it's lower, start working it down. Yeah. Well, I'm having a hard time making things work now anyway, but you know what? Sure, why not? Okay. So we check that we are within the first coordinate. If past arch pointer operator y2 is less than y, move up. There we go. Should work it, right? Oh no, I don't even have a move up. Wouldn't have thought I needed one, but apparently I do, so... There we go. Now there's a move up. Can rest easy now, NetBeans. I have saved it all. I have saved all of the day. Alright, let's do that. See if it'll move up. You died because I then fell off of the end of the bridge. But it didn't move the player, it moved me up. If y2 is less than y, it's supposed to go up. Why isn't it moving up? It should have been moving it up, right? Let's try this again. Start low. Let's go high. Well, it leaves it put. Doesn't actually move it up, it just kind of flatlines it. Huh. Okay, so... Y plus W is less than Y1. If Y2 is less than Y plus W, start moving it up. So that should be what's happening. I mean, ideally what would happen is it hits to the side, and it starts moving upwards towards the far point, and then when it hits the end of the point, it's then going to drop back down and then be caught again by the collision detection of the platform, right? Down low, bring it up high. Why is it never moving it back up? Another Stoner Sloth yawn. Sorry, I'm probably like really quiet throughout a large chunk of that. I'm trying to rest up my back and ribs, which are hurting because I've had to do a lot of drilling and digging today. Correction, digging and drilling this week. Didn't have to do any drilling today, but today we were doing some dirt work. Yeah, it's... I don't get why this isn't working. Let's just do this then. Final Fantasy XI. That was an MMO that I have a boxed copy for that I got from a garage sale that I can never ever play. Must climb the mountain. Okay, so it was there. Let's just try y minus minus. There we go. Yeah, this should work. You have 1,000 nukes in Factorio? Good grief. I guess we're gonna have to do another bug bunker busting, eh? Yeah, it's still not working. Why is it not working? Why will it not subtract the y coordinate? Why will this not subtract the y coordinate and move the circle up? Can 1,000 nukes to help me figure out this as to why, how come the ball won't move up the ramp even though the ramp is tipped upwards? I'm exclusively telling it to. There, now let's just see if we can rave out this ball again. Boom! Rave away. Boom, 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 boom. If I had the death counter in here, it would already be done. Yeah, throw some nukes at it. Yep, why not? Why not just throw some flippin' nukes at it? This is taking too long, but at least it is doing the rave out that I was expecting it to. So now let's just say y equals y minus 1. There we go. And nope, does not climb. It does not climb at all. Here's the issue that I'm having with this. Y is literally the only thing... Let's make it y minus 2, see if that'll help. Because it might be that there's a move down conflict happening elsewhere. Okay, well, it was trying. Um... Hmm. This whole bridging thing is becoming a lot tougher than it first was when I first started this game. This is supposed to be simple! How come it's suddenly gotten so hard? I'll have 1 week left and then I have to launch it. I need to get it working before then, so I guess I'm gonna have to put in some extra time. Which is okay, I've mostly only worked on this game during the streams. So... not that big a deal. Alright, let's go into here and let's get rid of the "you died." That'll help me with some of this debugging if I don't see, "oh, you died," just because we moved a little bit. Okay. I feel like I have a conflict of booleans happening here. I'm moving the object up when it collides with the ground. That's what I'm thinking I'm having an issue with, is I move the object up, it no longer counts as colliding with the ground, so it's dropped back down again. And they just keep canceling each other out through the whole thing. So I might have to give the bridge a bit of girth to it. Some kind of a width. I just wish there was a way I could maybe try and thin it down a little bit, so I could maybe get a more precise idea as to where my collision is occurring at, because that is a very thick line. It just falls. Okay, so it looks like it falls and it catches at the middle. And it jitters back and forth between landed and not landed. Area. Yeah, so it switches between it landing and not having landed. Which is annoying. I have to think of some new way of... It's gonna have to be some other way of putting hit detection together. Huh. I'm trying to think, what would be an easier way of managing this? Let's just say y equals y minus 5, just for the heck of it, because is it moving down? It moves down in individual units, possibly in 2s due to the for loop. Let's just bring it up there. And... what the heck is this? No. Alright, this one sounds interesting. Okay, so it's back to jigging out. And it's still not saving it. I do not get what is up with this. I don't understand how come... I'm not understanding how come it jigs out when I go up into the really big stuff. But in the meantime, with it being... You subtract 10 from it, it'll jump up, and then honestly, I don't know what it jumps up, and then it's like it's yanked right back down, even though it's not supposed to be yanked right back down again. It's just supposed to fall a little bit, and then yeah, move right and then fall down. But here's where it would be moved up. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this if it's not gonna work the way it's supposed to, or the way it seems like it's supposed to. I know what I can do. I know what I can do. Okay. Let's go into the guy, let's create this Boolean. Climbing. By default, we're gonna set it to false. There we go, and then again another Boolean is climbing. It's a bit more of a Java method of doing stuff, but still. Climbing just... or is climbing. Return climbing. There we go. Okay, and now we go here. Feet on the arch. And not is climbing. There we go. See how well this works. Oh shoot. It won't. There we go. Alright, it's, oh, okay. It hits there and then stops. Here we go. Let's try and see this again. See if this will work. Again, we just sit stuck in a permanent jitter pattern. Alright, here goes nothing. That is very, very weird. Okay, it's true. Then here, if feet are not on arch, or feet are on arch, and player is climbing, move to the right. Come along. Oh, there we go. We got the jitter climb. We got the jitter rave climb. Bamity bamity bam bam bam. Just falls to the floor again. Alright. Alright, well, I'm sorry if I'm disappointing you guys. It's been a bit of a shorter stream, but I am exhausted. I can barely keep my eyes open. So I am gonna have to go to bed, and I will have to leave all of you wonderful people. Thank you so much to everyone who came out to watch. Thanks to everybody who's been chatting to me. For those of you who didn't chat, feel free to just spam emotes. I'm okay with that. It makes me feel important. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Thank you all very much for coming out. Tune in next week. Hopefully we will be able to finish this thing up. We're gonna have to wrap it up here quick, because the end of this month is coming along. I'll see you next week. Same time, same place. Have a good night.